In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation with forms in Hubspot. If you're looking to streamline your business processes and enhance your marketing efforts, mastering Hubspot's form automation is a crucial step. Let's dive into the process and make your workflow more efficient. Firstly, you'll want to start by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. If you are already familiar with HubSpot, this will be your launchpad for unlocking a wealth of tools suited for all your business needs. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Login button. Logging in ensures you have access to all functionalities we will delve into today. Once you've logged in, the next step is navigating to your HubSpot home. This should be straightforward if you've accessed the dashboard before. From here, move to the Trial Guide section. The trial guide will serve as your pathway as we navigate through the various features available for form automation. It's a great section to familiarize yourself with different capabilities, even if you've been using HubSpot for some time. Now look for and click on marketing within this guide. The marketing section is pivotal for automating forms because it ties directly into your marketing strategies and can significantly aid in capturing leads efficiently. Following this, proceed to select Forms. This area allows you to create, manage, and automate forms that will capture essential data from your contacts. When you arrive at the Forms section, it's time to create a form. Click on the Create Form button to initiate this process. This step is all about setting up your form structure. You'll follow intuitive prompts from HubSpot, which makes building your form a very guided and user-friendly experience. Once the form creation is underway, you'll click Next twice. These clicks confirm your form type and bring you closer to deploying effective automation features. Don't worry about repetitive actions here. These steps are built to ensure that your form process and its automation will run seamlessly together. After confirming your form selections, you'll encounter a Start button. Clicking Start essentially kicks off your form's deployment process. This step is necessary as you're bringing the form to life with actionable features that enable automation. Finally, locate the Automation option and click it. This is your gateway to configuring the automation rules that will apply to your form. Here you can set specific triggers and actions based on how users interact with your form, such as sending follow-up emails or notifying your team of new submissions. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've now equipped yourself with foundational knowledge to automate your forms in HubSpot. Remember, automation not only saves you time, but also enhances engagement with your contacts. Thank you for investing your time in this tutorial, and I hope it makes your HubSpot experience even more fruitful. Happy automating!